Well, for GHDC elections, we have not started the campaign as such. The process for selecting the candidate is still on. In my first notification as a election committee for NPP, we have given the date for 14th November as last date for submission. But so many requests came in, and after hearing them, I have extended the time of last date of submission for party sponsorship is now November 30th. So only after that we'll be able to update anything. And based on the applications constituency wise, we'll be having a series of meeting in the election committee. Election committee will be consulting the district committees and to the block committees as well. And of course, the consultation with honorable MLAs also will be there. So after that, we will forward it to the state committee and then further for the national committee. But as for the same tenure, it ends by April next year. So probably the election will be decided very most probably by February next year. I don't say that it will be a cakewalk, because every election has a different test altogether. You all know that. So definitely Congress's web has gone down. The kind of web they were trying to bring in has gone down after the Bihar election. So therefore, it is to be seen what kind of a web will be there in the district councils. Obviously, we are hopeful of getting support from the people of Ghadc Hills, because the state government is performing under the leadership of Comrade Kesama, which is the majority party, that is NPP. And in district council also, we have resolved the issues pertaining to district council issues. So therefore, we are hopeful, because the district council process of reformation has already started. Now in district council, we need reform, and people of Ghadc Hills also need that reformation. So it is possible only with the mandate given to, if mandate is given to NPP party only. So NPP can assure the people of Ghadc Hills that we will be able to provide stable and then vision-wise reformation for district council. These are all allegations, election allegations. Practically, if you go to the people and you will find that doesn't matter at all. It is an allegation, political allegations only. During Congress's resign, we have seen, but we never alleged that way. But it is the Congress and other parties now that they are in the opposition, we are in the ruling, they started blaming us. It's the mindset conception and their attitude towards the ruling party. But we didn't say that way. Our approach is very simple. We believe in our leadership, we believe in our performance, we believe in our policy for the state and for the Ghadc Hills, and based on that we work. So therefore, we believe in our system, we believe in our leadership, we believe in our performance also.